What would you do if you had an interview with an American organization and their first question for you is, are you someone who can go the extra mile? Ayachia Kate, aga chope koutnit habet legal rechraweki Əmریکی و یەکەم پرسیاری ئەوان ئەمەیە. ئایا تۆ کەسێکیت کە بتوانیت میل زیادە بڕۆیت؟ Should you 1. Say yes even though you don't understand the question. 2. Pretend to get a call from your father and hope that they forget about the question. Or 3. Watch this video so that you know what Americans mean when they talk about going the extra mile. That's right, the correct answer is number 3. Stay until the end of this video so you know what this American idiom means and also an appropriate way to respond. تا کۆتای ئەم ڤیدیۆە بمێنێرەوە بۆ ئەوەی ئەم دەستەواژەی ئەمریکی تێبگەیت و وەڵامێکی گونجاو فێر بیت. با دەست پێ بکەین. Let's get started. What does it mean to go the extra mile? When Americans say this is a good thing. It means doing more than is required, doing extra for the sake of someone else. واتای زیاتر کارەکەیت لەوەی کە پێویستە یان زیادە ئەکەیت لە پێناوی کەسێکی تردا. If someone is asking you this in a job interview, then they want to know what kind of person you are. ئەیانەوێت بزانن چی جۆری کەسێکیت. Are you someone who will work hard for your organization and for your coworkers? Are you someone who will do something necessary even if it is someone else's responsibility? Or are you someone who will only do the minimum work or only do the jobs that are your responsibilities? This phrase, to go the extra mile, comes from the Bible, the Injil, where Jesus tells his followers that they should love their enemies, and if an enemy forces them to carry something for them for 1 mile, then they should carry it for them for 2 miles. ئەم قسەیە ڕۆشتنی میلی زیاد لە ئینجیل هاتووە کاتێک ئیسای مەسیح فێری کوتابیەکانی ئەکات کە ئەبێ دوژمنەکانیان خۆش بوێن و ئەگەر دوژمنێک ناچاریان بکات بۆ ماوەی 1 میل بارگرانی یەکیان بۆ هەڵبگرن ئەبێ بۆ میلێکی زیاد بۆی هەڵبگرن. This phrase is now very common in American culture and is used for many situations where someone does more than is necessary for the sake of kindness or for the sake of responsibility. Okay, let's return to your interview with an American organization. If they ask you if you are someone who can go the extra mile, a good response would be, yes, I am ready to not only do my job, but anything else that is helpful for the organization. And then it would be great if you could give them an example from your life of how you have gone the extra mile for someone in the past. Bra azizakam, I hope that you have found this lesson on this common American idiom helpful. If so, then please subscribe to this channel. Agar am wanaya basud bu bet bo to, takaya subscribe ka bo am chanala. Spasguzaram bo to, bra azizakam. Until tomorrow, Atas Savene, Hafiz.